Fisher Price Disney Frozen Little People. It's up high. And here's...
Do you see the recycle symbol? 3 arrows in a triangle.
Here's Liberty Feature Vehicle from Paw Patrol movie. It's got a dog, a little car.
JoJo's coming back a bit in time. Yep.
This is Nickelodeon. Let's see. Fire truck. Oh, and here's all the little characters. They have a lot of Paw Patrol. A whole bunch of it. Got Lego Dublo and Frozen, Disney Frozen Lego Duplo. Have Mega Blocks. This is in the little kid section. It is a, what is that? Tropical waterfall. Oh, how neat for a little kid. And so everything moves as the water comes down. And the wheels spin. There's a bowling ball game, 6 pins, and they have little balls in them, so when you knock them over, they shake the balls around. Okay, I'll do it.
I can't do it.
Oh, and there's another. Music and lights. What is that? Does it say try me? Yeah, but it doesn't work.